y'all doing today? It's a beautiful day out here on the water. We're going to be putting up a wood duck box today. I figured I'd show y'all how I put them up in the water. It's about waist deep water. Got the kids in the boat with the life jackets. We're going to see if we can't get a wood duck box put up in this little beaver pond. Y'all stick around and watch us do it. Start off with a T-post. Got about 10-foot pole. We got about a 10-foot pole here. We're going to use this to mount our duck box to after we just slid it over our T-post. We're going to use the T-post driver to drive it in. Got the pole in. We gotta do a predator guard. That's where the predator guard is, kids. This keeps the snakes and the coons where they can't get up there and get the eggs up there. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah, we don't want the alligators getting me to do it. No.
And ruin them and ruin the alligator.
Yeah.
I got I'm waiting for to have a fish.
You fishing?
Yeah. Sorry.
I gotta get the box off. What? Pretty hard work out here by yourself with you kids. They learning a lot though while they out here with the daddy. Ain't they?
Yeah. I want to catch a fish. You know.
fish?
No. And I got a fish around my hand.
Mm.
I got we got bad bad. Dad, we got leave you.
You're not leave, dude.
I'm not. Me too. I was going. Dad, look at this. You want to do this? Then how will you get that finger?
I'll get it up there in a minute, bud.
I want to put an F in the water. Oh man, don't do that, Dad. Dad, Mama,
Yeah, you gotta be patient when you're fishing. Pretty easy way to get these boxes set in the water. Real easy with two people. But it can be done by yourself. Got some fish?
Yeah, see? Second I try.
Oh yeah.
Second I try now. Second I try now. Let me clean it. Not this stick. Wow. Look, fish. You can eat it. I got heavy fish. I got a heavy fish. Oh yeah.
Kids love to play in the water.
You don't need these. Yeah.
And don't be slinging on, dude.
Huh? Ew, ew. What do you... Yeah, we want to go at the beach. We'll not be on the beach.
We on the beach?
Ready?
Remember that grill right there?
Wait, can I have the fish? Pull. Stack it? Stack it? How is there to stack it, okay? Woody and Trinket. Woody, I need it. Chicken now, can I try now? But the fish will not get. Chicken I try now. Chicken I try now. Dude,
Hmm?
is it? Can snakes go in here?
You're on where about?
In the water? How? The how?
They can swim.
And it was a nest.
And then they'll rob the eggs out the nest. Bad, ain't it?
Yeah. But will that make them sweat?
This right here will make them slip, yep.
Yucky. I'm gonna get something over there. And I'm gonna try. Yeah. I'm gonna try. Wait. go. Yeah, you got fish. Just you. Give me. I only need this much. Thanks. 2. I don't need no more.
Pretty tough getting screws out your pockets while you got waders on with water.
Woody! Woody, stop! It's just not. Woody, I'm making a stick.
That's all it takes, y'all. That one said all we gotta do is put some shavings in there.
And light.
Lights? No, we ain't gotta put no lights in it, though. That wood duck box right there said all we gotta do is put some shavings in, which I forgot. But appreciate y'all going with us. Set this wood duck box up. Them old hen wood ducks really appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one.
Johnny!